Hello everyone, I hope you are feeling inspired and ready to explore another watercolor topic with me. Today I would like to talk about something that has inspired artists for hundreds of years, spending time in nature. As watercolor artists, we often look for inspiration, sometimes we search through photographs, books, or social media. This can be helpful, but nothing compares to experience nature with our own eyes. Nature is the great teacher an artist can have. When we spend time outdoors, we begin to notice things that photographs often miss. We see how sunlight changes throughout the day. We observe the soft colors of distant mountains, the movement of clouds, and the reflection in water. We notice details that bring life and authentic to our paintings. For me, some of my most inspiring moments have come while visiting place surrounded by nature. Standing in front of a mountain, walking along a forest path, or listening to a flowing streams gives me idea that no screen can provide. Nature teaches how to observe. As artists, observation is one of our most important skills. The most carefully we look, the more we understand. When you sit quietly in nature, you begin to see how colors change. A mountain may not be simply blue. It may contain hints of purple, grey, green, and even warm colors from the sunlight. Shadows are not only black, they can be cool blues, violets, and soft greys. Nature also teaches us about light. Light is constant changing. Early morning light feels different from evening light. A cloudy day creates soft shadows, while bright sunlight creates strong contrast. When we observe these changes, we learn how to paint atmosphere and mood. We begin to understand that painting is not just about copying what we see. It is about capturing a feeling. Another wonderful thing about nature is that it teaches patience. When we are outdoors, we cannot control the weather, the clouds, or the light. We learn to accept changes and work with it. Watercolor is very similar. We cannot control every movement of water and pigment. Sometimes the paint flow in different ways. Sometimes a wash dries different than we planned. Nature reminds us that beauty often comes from allowing things to happen naturally. Spending time in nature can also refresh our creativity. Every artist experiences moments when ideas seem difficult to find. We may feel tired, uninspired, or stuck. At this time, a walk in nature can be surprising, meaningful. The sound of birds, the movements of leaves in the wind, the sight of distant hills, or the sparkle of sunlight on water can awaken new ideas and new energy. Many artists discovered that some of their best creative thoughts come while simply walking and observing. Nature also teaches simplicity. When we look at a beautiful landscape, we often notice that its beauty does not come from complexity. A simple lines of trees, a quiet river, a snow-covered mountain, or a field glowing in the evening light can be deeply moving. This is an important lesson for us. We do not need to fill every inch of paper with details. Sometimes a few well-placed shapes and thoughtful brushstroke can say more than hundreds of tiny details. Nature shows us meaning of simplicity and balance. There is another reason artists should spend time in nature. Nature helps us slow down. Modern life is often busy and fast. We are surrounded by notification, message, and endless information. It is easy to become distracted. When we step into nature, we have an opportunity to pause and truly observe. This quiet observation improves not only our art, but also our ability to focus and appreciate the world around us. As watercolor artists, we paint what we see, but we also paint what we feel. The feelings we experience in nature, peace, wonder, joy, and inspiration, often find their way into our painting. Viewers may not know exactly why they connect with a painting, but they can often feel the emotion behind it. That emotion comes from genuine experience. This is why painting from personal observation can be meaningful. Whether it is mountain path, a waterfall, a forest, a temple surrounded by hills, or a quiet sunrise, every experience in nature becomes part of our artistic journey. The more time we spend observing the nature world, the more confident and expressive we become as artists. So my encouragement to all of you is simple. Take your sketchbook outside whenever you can. Go for a walk, sit quietly and observe. Study the colors, the light, the shadow, and the shape around you. You do not always need to create a finished painting. Sometimes simply looking and learning is enough. Because every moment spent in nature is a lesson. Every landscape teaches something new. Every session offers fresh inspiration, and every observation helps us grow as artists. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep observing, and keep finding inspiration in the beauty of nature. If you have any question, please feel free to leave them in comments. Happy painting.